We're entering into the year 2026. Our order book is about to be filled.
If you order now, it's a perfect timing for the upcoming season. Then you're ready for rock and roll when the new season starts.
But we are also more and more also talking to sporty pilots, I kind of call them, that have been flying sporty aircrafts in GA. Upcoming 2026, of course, we have the three big shows, and you are affiliated to aviation and you have that feel for it. It's a show you have to attend once in your lifetime, if not more often, of course.
Yeah. And as you mentioned, we have the World Championship this year in the US. Romain, I think you want to go. I want to go as well. Hi guys, hello for a new extra talk video. I'm here together with Christian and together with Romain. And today we are going to give you a quick overview about the new upcoming year. So it's January 26 right now. And we are going to tell you what is the plan of the factory. Where can you meet us? Which competitions are going on this year? So let's jump into the video. So, hi guys.
Hello.
Christian, maybe you can start. Where can you see the whole extra gang?
Yeah, the upcoming year is always a result of the year before. 2025, not too old yet. We finished off with 24 aircrafts. Sold worldwide. There was about 50% US and 50% rest of the world. As it looks, we're entering into the year 2026. Our order book is about to be filled. And it's a good timing right now to get in touch with us to get an aircraft for the end of the season, beginning of the season.
So if you order now, it's a perfect timing for the upcoming season. Then you're ready for rock and roll when the new season starts.
Of course, getting information, as I usually say, 3 days, 3 years. It takes when somebody wants to take that decision or take that step to get his own extra. We're talking these days with aerobatic pilots that are flying competition. But we are also more and more also talking to sporty pilots, I kind of call them, that have been flying sporty aircrafts in GA, finding out more and more that the extra NG is an aircraft of their pick, getting knowledge about it because it is, again, as I say, the Swiss Army knife, quick aircraft as far as traveling from A to B. And you can start doing some aerobatics. You don't have to do them, but it's definitely a sporty aircraft to have to own and to operate. And the people that do so, I can only say, really, really do love it. Upcoming 2026, of course, we have the three big shows that we always intend to. There's first one is Friedrichshafen, which is in April, of course. Looking forward to that. We're just working in the background on the setup of that. There will be some.
Normally we always do like a quite cool setup there. It's always your part to always develop something new, that it's always something fresh, and that's always your part.
It's not a next generation. It'll be similar to what we have done, but of course there'll be some new aspects to it. And I can only say to everybody that has not been to Friedrichshafen, and you were affiliated to aviation and you have that feel for it, it's a show you have to attend once in your lifetime, if not more often, of course.
It's absolutely worth it to go.
Aviation show. I mean, it's huge, the volume and the aircrafts and everything else around it, from technical avionics to all kinds of stuff and so on. You can see there. It's really worth a visit. Good structure around, good hotels around, easy to access. It's a really, really great show to go to. Very professional.
Everyone who's interested in aviation overall is going to find the right.
Despite extra, worthwhile in general going to, and of course we are there too.
That's of course the highlight.
Come talk to us about aviation, about aircrafts, about whatever, and have a good time, and then we'll take it from there. Then around similar same time is Sun and Fun in Florida.
Yeah, that's the week before.
With all respect, I said this before, and I've been to Sun and Fun, and it's a great show too, and so on. But it's a different feeling the way they do it over there. And then, of course, then is Oshkosh in the second half of the year that we're planning on.
I think it's always the last week of July, isn't it?
Yeah. Since we don't have a championship on the field this year or anywhere near where I have to be in attendance, thinking of setting up something like a factory show where we invite special guests from flight schools, from other aviators that we introduce on a special event, the 𝐋𝐞𝐚𝐫𝐺 again, or any of our other models, especially also, as I said, for flight schools that are interested in operating such an aircraft and offering upset recovery training in the future and, scopes like that. Where I'm about to see to have enough attendance to do this and then set up a show with that. If you have an interest, definitely shoot me an email on that to put you on the list for the people that are invited for that. And we'll make something spectacular here at the factory for those guys. The email would be sales@𝐿𝐴𝐸RO.com, just a regular one to be used on that. Yeah. And then, of course, we have the national and international competitions this year, especially in the US. But that is more of you guys to talk or tell about it.
Yeah, of course. National competitions like in Germany, in the UK, in Spain, in France, in the US, all around the globe. So yeah, definitely wherever you guys live, check out your national organization and get in contact with them to find out when your nationals take place. And as you mentioned, we have the World Championship this year in the US. Romain, I think you want to go. I want to go as well.
So it's not only the World Unlimited, there is also the European Intermediate and Advanced.
Right.
That will be organized. And the Unlimited is set up in USA. So we are waiting for news from them. But as soon as we have news, we move forward for it.
Yeah, I think for both competitions, the bulletins are not yet posted, but
it's about to be voted for.
We should get them like short term. Yeah.
Actually, tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
I often get asked by people too about the different categories in these competitions. As I understand, there are 4 of them, but I think Romain can explain a little bit about that, how that is stepped.
Well, there is 4. There is 3 international level: Intermediate, Advanced, Unlimited, and the Intermediate is the first level. And what you speak about 4 is maybe more national, what you flew. I don't know in Germany, what was the first level? It was sportsman.
Yeah, sportsman.
Sportsman,
in the US, you also
in US, you have basic, primary, and sportsman, then intermediate. The intermediate is the first SIVA international contest you can attend. And this is more about basic aerobatic. You can also attend this competition with an extra 260, extra 300L. This is more open, it's more for beginner. Then you have the advanced level, which is already, when you are top 5 of advanced, it's already a good level.
You have, in comparison to intermediate, a lot more of negative figures.
In advanced, yes, you have, because there is no negative in intermediate.
Yep.
There is only basic flicks. In advanced, it's actually quite advanced already.
Yeah, and you also have the tail slide in advanced.
And you have the tail slide, yeah. And there is negative spin, and you can push out.
Yeah.
Rotation after push, stuff like that. So it's already more complex. That was level number 2. And the last one, unlimited. And as the name said, it's unlimited with still some limit, but we're going through it by, for example, it has been accepted some new rotation on the same line. It was in the past year that we were allowed to do quarter, three-quarter, etc. Now we can do three-quarter negative flick as well. So the level is improving. The gap between advanced and limited is still big, but this is how it's working: intermediate, advanced, and limited.
Yeah. So
And of course, every national federation have to, I don't know have to, but they organize their nationals. Some people, they just organize up to intermediate because there is there is no people doing yet advanced or something like this. But to pretend to attend to the international competition, you have to be somehow selected or agreed with your federation. There is some country which use the national as a selection because there is too many participants and the places are limited. So if you have 15 people that want to attend the World Championship, then you have to make a nationals.
So if you have already decided getting an extra NG, we have a new demonstrator coming. This is going to be in Florida, in D-Land soon. And this is a fully equipped extra NG, so you can see all the available options there. This one also has additional equipment, or the newest equipment. It has a taxi camera or an upgraded heating system, and also very beautiful blue carbon interior. So make sure to see this extra NG, and afterwards, I'm pretty sure you get the perfect configuration for your own needs. Just contact us via sales@extraaircraft.com, and we're happy to see you there.
To get the overall.
But before the World Championship, and of course the two of you are masters, I mean, you have won several national championships. You have won the European Championship.
As a team, yeah. With World Champion.
Marcus is current German champion. I have not taken part in competition, and I'm probably like many customers out there, and also extra pilots that think, I could do this with my aircraft. But basically it starts off with saying there's a category. In Germany it's called sportsman, in other countries it's called differently. But there is a low-level entry category, basically, where people can get in touch with their organization and participate. And it's not a big deal. It's you do your entry fee, etc. You go there with your aircraft and you learn all about this. You take small steps into it. And at the lower categories, the AERO program that you have to fly and compete in is, of course, doable, I say, for a normal aerobatic pilot. So, and it's great fun. It's a great spirit. You get to know a lot of people in that vicinity, and you kind of grow into it. Of course, what you've been talking about just now is high level.
Yeah, I was just following the discussion of where is Extra Factory this year and what are the competition of the year.
It's your aerobatic language, which is far superior than mine is, and so. Just letting know, of course, there is the up level, but there is also easy entry.
Yeah, for sure. There is local competition where people can join and learn from others. And this is what we spoke on the other video, that you meet people and
what we all live off is that the community that is there grows steady, and there are more coming to it, and letting them know and understand how much fun that basically is. I mean, I remember my days before aerobatics, where flying an aircraft was, of course, taking off, then flying a controlled turn no further than 20 degrees, and because then things happen and you don't really know what, and actually having an aircraft that you can fly and do whatever with, don't worry about these issues is phenomenal. Is a definitely a different flying, and you taking your flying into a next level where you really, I mean, there was a reason that your son or everybody of us started flying. Yeah. And then you've lived this flying and you've done your thing. But taking the sport into that next level is a new experience, is really refreshing. It's great.
So yeah, maybe just to come back to your question earlier. So normally it's handled like this, that you have, for example, Romain said that you have international competitions in intermediate, advanced, or unlimited. And I think since last year, that was the first time when they combined championships. Is this true?
No.
Was it before already?
And it's actually a very good thing because the intermediate are now often, and in my opinion, should be like this, put together with the advanced level. First of all, because the people, probably some people share the aircraft, and some aircraft can do both. Not everybody has an SC, so they can do both up to advanced and share the cost and just share a plane and be on different level. Also, and this does not matter the plane you have, but when you attend the competition as a beginner, at least it's beginning when you go, or maybe not beginner when you reach intermediate, but you're a beginner into international competition. You can see others flying, and the step to be world or European champion advanced, it's already quite big, yeah. So you can already see what's next level, so it can motivate. It's like emulation. So you see better flying, so this is where I want to go.
Yeah.
And so it's motivating, and this is a very good combination to put together the event, intermediate, advanced together in international competition.
Yeah. So last year we had a world championship in advanced and intermediates, and should actually have a European championship in unlimited, which unfortunately did not take place. And then they switched it. So if you have a world championship in unlimited, it's a European championship in the lower two categories, and vice versa.
Yeah, and then aircrafts go back and forth from the US to Europe.
Yeah, that's always a great puzzle. Yeah, to get aircrafts. Yeah.
Well, when you stay in Europe, now we have to send it over.
Yeah. No, for us this year, since we have a world championship in the US, this year it's a little bit more complicated for the Europeans. To ship their aircrafts over to the US or to find an aircraft over there. But in other years, it's the same problem, but for the US people.
To move over there to find airplane, which they found actually. But
yeah.
These aerobatic aircraft, of course, it's somewhat easy. You take the wing out, you take parts off the aircraft, and you can stuff two aircrafts in one 42-foot overseas container.
Yeah.
Usually taking an aircraft apart, preparing for shipping is about 2 days. And it's reassembling it over there is a good 2 days too.
You can send it via sea freight, right? Or you can also send it via air freight.
But it's not the same budget.
Yeah, but it has, right.
It's a big difference.
Yeah. So yeah, I think these are the plans for the upcoming year. So yeah, as mentioned, 3 big shows where we will participate: AERO Friedrichshafen, Fun and Oshkosh, and also here our private event where you guys can contact us to get in touch with this event, and also on the competition. So myself, I'm going to fly the German nationals.
If you count yourself a serious prospect, I must say to that, because that's what that is all about. It's just not a general show or something. It's something particular for prospects to get into their questions and to help them get into an aircraft.
Yeah, right. And competition-wise, of course, a lot of national competitions this year in multiple countries or in the US as well. And
the international, so intermediate and advanced together, where I will go as a coach with my student. And America.
Yeah. So I think a busy year.
Busy year, good weather we need.
Yeah, we need good weather. So this is missing here in Germany. I can tell everyone for sure. Right now it's snowing and it's pretty cold. But yeah, summer is coming for sure.
But here in Dienstlaken, actually a good area. Nothing. I mean, we have it all, but nothing severe.
Yeah. It's okay here.
Find time to fly. I hope you find time to fly too. And if you have any questions to what we've just touched here, topics, give us a call.
Yeah, give us a call or let us know in the comments. So thank you guys. And hope to see you soon, and you guys as well.